Ever wonder why a circuit breaker trips instantly in one application, but not in another? Let's talk trip curves and how B, C, and D behave differently when the current spikes. Trip curves define how fast a miniature circuit breaker trips based on a given overcurrent level. The three most common are B, C, and D, each suited for different types of applications. Different machines draw different amounts of current when they start. Some loads barely spike, while others can surge 10 to 20 times their normal current. That's why you need the right curve for the job to prevent unnecessary trips and protect equipment. B-curve breakers trip at 3 to 5 times their rated current. They're ideal for lighting and heating circuits, where inrush is minimal and fast response is critical. If a wire gets damaged, say a rodent chews through the insulation and causes a short, the B-curve trips instantly to prevent fire or equipment damage. C-curve breakers trip at 5 to 10 times their rated current, ideal for circuits with moderate inrush, like small motors, pumps, or ventilation fans. These loads need a little extra startup current. But if something goes wrong, say a pump gets jammed or a fan motor overheats and stalls, the breaker trips quickly to protect the system before damage occurs. D-curve breakers handle 10 to 20 times their rated current. That's what you need for high inrush loads, like welding machines or large compressors. But when insulation wears down or conductors short, say between motor windings, current surges beyond safe limits. D-curves allow inrush, but still trip to stop a dangerous fault. Here's the side-by-side. Each curve gives you protection, but tailored to the load type and startup profile. When selecting an MCB, always check your load type and normal operating current. Match the trip curve to the inrush behavior of your equipment. It's one of the most overlooked and most important steps in control panel design. Choose the wrong curve and you risk nuisance trips, or worse, equipment damage. Get it right with C3 Controls. Contact our team for help choosing the right MCB. For more on trip curves, visit c3controls.com to download white papers and watch videos on this topic.